Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into some calculus and exploring how to find the derivative of e to the power x using the limit definition. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more math tutorial. Let's get started. Alright, so to find the derivative of e to the power x, we need to use limit definition of a derivative. The limit definition states that the derivative of a function f of x at point x is given by f prime of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x over h. In our cases, our function f of x is e to the power x. So let's plug that into our formula. F prime of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 e to the power x plus h minus e to the power x over h. Now notice that we have e to the power x plus h in numerator. Using the properties of exponent, we can rewrite e to the power x plus h as e to the power x as e to the power x into e to the power h. Let's substitute that in. F prime of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 e to the power x whole into e to the power h minus 1 over h. Since e to the power x is a constant with respect to h, we can factor it out of the limit. Hence, f prime of x is equal to e to the power x limit h tends to 0 e to the power h minus 1 over h. Now, the tricky part is evaluating the limit. This limit is actually a well-known limit h tends to 0 e to the power h minus 1 over h. This limit is actually a well-known limit in calculus and it's equal to 1. If you are curious why this is the case, you can explore the Taylor series expansion of e to the power h. But for now, let's accept this result. Hence, f prime of x is equal to e to the power x into 1. Therefore, we can write f prime of x is equal to e to the power x. And there you have it. We have found the derivative of e to the power x is just e to the power x. I hope This tutorial help you understand how to use the limit definition to find the derivative of e to the power x. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any question or suggestion for future video, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Keep learning and stay curious.